Hey everybody, Johnny here, and I got a good video for you today. I did a little mini hunt, went to Barnes & Noble's, Hot Topic, and I went to a antique store called Call It an Antique. So if you like the video that you are watching, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get updates on when I post new videos, and then leave a like and leave a comment down below. Alright, so first I went to Barnes & Noble's and I picked up a couple of pops because they're 2 for $10 right now. So we got the Game of Thrones Child of the Forest. Want to add it to our collection, so it's a pretty cool pop, I think. So this is it. And then also picked up from a really cool movie that I really like, good western called Tombstone. This is Morgan Ert. Really cool. So that's what I got from Barnes & Noble's today for you guys. Then I went to the antique store and I picked up a couple of pops there. I got Deadpool with Bob Ross because I absolutely love Bob Ross and I love the Deadpool movie. So I thought it was a really cool pop to add to my Marvel collection. Hoping to eventually get the Bob Ross chase. But this is really cool. Really wanted it. Also picked up a Freddy Funko soda. So this is pretty cool. Pretty Funko. And so we'll open them up. It's just the common. 1 out of 4,200. So did not get the chase. For you guys so you could see them. And there is Freddy Funko. This is actually really cool. I have one other Freddy Funko up there on the shelf. He's with the surfboard, I believe. So it's really cool to add to my collection. Also, I picked up, got Jon Snow with blood on his face from there. It's the Hot Topic exclusive they had. It was really cool. It'll go with our other Jon Snow that we have for our Game of Thrones pops. Also went to Hot Topic today and picked up 1 Funko Pop and 3 Jankys, which I'll be unboxing Jankys real quick. This is the 1 pop I got from Umbrella Academy. Ben the Glow in the Dark. Hot Topic exclusive. It was really cool. It was a really good show. I suggest watching it if you like Supernatural or you like The Boys or like any show with that's like that, like any kind of superhero and stuff. It's a really cool show. So I would suggest watching it. So this is what I really want to do for this video was to open up these Jankys that I bought. I got 3 of them. Behind me I have 4 right here. I got the Chase right here, and then I got this guy and these other 2. I'm still learning the names of all of them since I just started collecting them. This guy I believe is Ouch, and the other guy is Waddle here. So, let's unbox these Jankys. They're super cool. It's a really cool sticker. I think I have this one already, actually. So let's get this open. And we got... Oh, I got another of the Waddle. That's really cool. I got a second one. This is a really cool Janky. I actually like this one a lot. Really cool. Oh, it's got its tail down here. So here you guys go. This is the Janky Waddle. Next up, I got another Janky for you guys. And got another sticker for you. Oh, this one's really cool. I like this sticker actually. I might put this on the wall somewhere. This one's really cool. Looks like he's like a king or a knight or something. That's really cool. Really cool sticker. I like that one a lot. Which one is he anyway? Might be one of these rare ones. I'm not sure. Ah, it doesn't want to open. So, not this janky. Bag wouldn't open, so open it with the box cutter. See what we got here. I think this is a different one that I don't have. Oh yeah, this one's really cool, guys. I don't know which one this is. This is Pete Fowler who made it. This is really cool. I don't know which one exactly this is, but it just says Pete Fowler on the box here. This person who made it, I'm assuming. Yeah, the artist. Like I said, still learning about them, so they're really cool. Glad I could add that, and it's little glasses. His little glasses put on them. Very cool. Alright, now for the last janky. Oops, got another sticker. Oh, I have this sticker already too, but this is a cool one also. Really cool sticker. Oh, and I got, ouch, this time just the common one. Sweet, now I got both of them. He's really cool. Now I got both the common and the chase. So, that's really cool. And these are the other ones I have right now. Oop, this one fell. These four. This is the one I had. And then I got this guy also. He's really cool. The artist is HG. That's cool. And then I have the chase here, which is really cool. And then I got this guy. So, that's it, guys. Done for this video. Like I said, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos. Until next time, bye.